Hello everyone, Waza here, and this has been a week in the development of my game GunSmith. Monday to Tuesday I was moving into school, so not much work was done, but got to planning out the week's tasks. On Wednesday I started work on some enemy prototypes that I would add into the game. We have the trail bot, which dashes around and leaves a trail of bullets wherever it goes. That's not balanced, I guess, but yeah. Then we have the repeller, who grabs your bullets and spins them around a bit and lets go after a tiny bit. Then we have the rammer, who despite the name does not ram, but has a shield in front of it and it shoots at you in a perfectly balanced way. I also planned out a new boss for the outskirts called the Breaker. So I started with Obsidian to add more to the plan for the outskirt boss, but got bored, so I opened up Unity and started work on the player selection screen. This will let you select a character to add more variety to playthroughs by giving you loadouts at the beginning of the game. Still not sure how to unlock the different characters, but for now that's a problem for future me. Friday, so first thing was making sure that enemies will only spawn on specific levels, so I changed a couple of variables, broke the game for a bit, and now enemies will only spawn on specific areas except the arena, which is a free-for-all. Next was making boss levels destructible. This proved to be a bit hard, so I decided to make them randomly generate. So after copying and pasting some stuff, I somehow got it to work, but the boss still doesn't spawn within the room, but this works for future me. Peace out. Okay, so on Saturday I fixed the bug with spawning by removing this event referencing here, making a call back here, and then calling the boss spawning after the level has been spawned. Then I started editing this video. Yeah, that's it for the week's development. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Bye.